It took me forever to get, okay, my mic's on, that's good. It took me forever to get this, just cause, well, first it cost $60, and second, for some reason, UPS decided it was a good idea to put a sticker over my address, so it was just kind of stuck at the post office. Whatever. Let's get going. Nook Inc. Deserted Island Getaway Package. Oh boy. Hold on, I don't know if it's too loud or not. Just gonna turn down the volume, because I never know until I go to edit the streams. Let us be the first to congratulate you on your wise decision to sign up for this adventure. Welcome to the check-in counter for your Deserted Island Getaway Package. Sounds like I'm gonna get murdered. You here to kill me? First, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Timmy with Nook Inc. And I'm Tommy, and we are both slaves of Amazon. We'll be flying to the island with you to help you get settled. Think of us as your partners. We're in it for the long haul. So let's get started, shall we? Just remember, bring something to defend against machete attacks. Now then, we'll need you to look up your application. Can we have your name and birthday? Sure thing. Ben. Oh crap. Yes, I'm okay with that. Birthday. Confirm. Yeah. Ben, let's see. Oh hi, we have you here on our hit list. Oh yes, here you are. Our next step will be to take a picture of you, Ben. Oh, don't worry, take as much time as you need to get yourself looking just the way you want. You're gonna need to look pretty good for your missing poster. We'll be ready when you are. Choose your style. It's not gender, it's style. Gender fluidity. And it'll only cost you your soul. The chartered flight from the King's Deserted Island Getaway Package is ready for boarding. Any customers waiting to board should make their way to the gate at this time. Ah, perfect timing. Come on, let's all board the plane together. Together! But that doesn't make much sense, does it? Because, like, if they all get on the plane, who's gonna be here to monitor the desk for when other people want to come to the island? Whatever, I guess they'll just clone themselves or something. Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking this chartered flight as part of Nook Inc.'s Deserted Island Getaway Package. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy a complimentary video presentation about Deserted Island life. I gotta breathe in between sentences. It's great that I'm getting shown a video instead of immediately starting to play. Why would you want to play the game when you can watch the game? I don't have a webcam, but I'm staring at you guys. I'm staring at the Twitch. monkey. Look at that monkey. Hold on. Hold on. No, there was a monkey back there. Okay, I'll put it in at post. I hope he shows up again though. She's ready to murder. Dude, what happened to your nose? But there was a monkey there. And he looked like a pedophile. He's like, I only moved to this island because I know a ton of kids live here. Someone needs to arrest that monkey. I don't think it's a monkey. I think it's like an ape or a gorilla. Which doesn't make it any better. You know? But someone needs to like... We need to make a zoo on this island and put that monkey, put that ape on it. We're here. What's with the goth-looking dog? And the rhino with a leaf on his head. Now, I know you must be incredibly excited to explore your new island home, but I have one small request. Would you please join us for a short orientation session in the nearby plaza? Ben's Plaza? Ha! Okay, whatever. Our fearless leader himself. That sounds like something you would say about a dictator. That sounds like how a dictator would describe themselves. Our fearless leader himself will be giving a presentation, so I'd hate for you to miss it. Right, cool, whatever. We're heading right there now. If you'd like to move, I know how to move in video games. This isn't the only game I've ever played. Look at this dude. He's got a leaf on his head. And I know leaves in Animal Crossing are like furniture, so he's probably wearing like a couch as a hat. Talk later, jog now, let's go. Right, tank. He's probably wearing a tank on his head. Oh, I'm taking the stick. Stick. Oh, I can't pick up the stick. Dang it. Hello, fearless dictator. Kim Jong-un, is that you? Alright, is that everyone? Let's see. Is Cherry here? How about Tank? I'd be worried about Cherry. Don't let her get a hold of any of the machetes. She might kill you in your sleep. Just look at her. Great, we're all here. Why did we bring the edgy kid? Why did we bring the emo on the island? That ain't good. I'll turn it over to you, Mr. Nook. Our three adventurers are ready to get started. Yes, very good. Let's see. How shall I begin? Yes, of course. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to your new island. Also, I don't think this island is very deserted, considering Tom Nook was already living on it. Like, if Tom was already living on it, it's not really deserted, is it? Because look at that, he's got a tent and everything. This ain't deserted. My name is Tom Nook, and I'm the founder and president of Nook Inc. Yes. Okay. Today is the first day of your new island life on this pristine, lovely island. So congratulations. This pristine, lovely, oddly square-shaped island. I still don't... Whatever. And this is a package deal, 3 victims in one? As such, Nook Inc. staff will always be here to support you and ensure your comfort and safety. Still, though, like, there's only 3 of you, so not much of a staff. It's just you and probably your kids. They're probably your kids. maybe, like, I don't know, whatever. But, like, if the entirety of Nook Inc. is there, how are they gonna, like, monitor the desk at the airport? Did you just abandon that airport? That's a lot of money wasted. Like, that's a lot of wasted money. Like, even if it's not your airport, you still had to get, like, a little area in it. But first things first, yes. I'd like each of you to choose a spot of your own. It's the first step to putting down some real roots. I'd like you to dream big. I do have certain connections in construction and real estate. I mean, yeah, you were a real estate manager in the previous game. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just get started with a simple tent, shall we? Please collect your tent from Timmy or Tommy, and then choose a spot to place it. Well, I think Tommy's got a weapon. He's got a sharp stick. I'm gonna go with Timmy. Here you go, Ben. Here's your very own tent. Oh, cool. Once you find the perfect spot, press X. I know how to access my inventory. Don't worry, you'll get a chance to see what it looks like before making your final decision. And you'll want a little breathing room, so take your time finding a spot that works for you. Oh, I suppose I should probably set you up with a map, too. Probably a good idea, yeah. Once you've put up your tent, please find your way back here. Use your new map if you need it. Well, off you go. I hope you find a great spot.